2020 CR-V Sport, first look. Just around the back, you'll notice first the Sport badging, as well as the new chrome exhaust tips. And overall rear look on the bumper as well. On the Sport, you'll get the power tailgate. With height adjustment. So for you shorties out there, you can have it set so it doesn't open as high. Around the back, nothing changes back here. Profile of the vehicle, nice sport rims are exclusive to this model. Oh, I forgot one thing on the back. You might not be able to see it with the sun, but these are tinted taillights. It's kind of like a blacked out taillight. You can't notice it in this angle with the sun in front of me. On the Sport model, you'll get this leatherette and fabric combination for the seats, front and back. Driver's side here, you'll see that's your power tailgate button added for the Sport model. This is replacing the EX on the 2019s. Sport pedals, heated steering wheel, as well as on the inside here you get the silver trims as opposed to the wood trim that was on the EX on the outgoing model. The 2020s now have automatic engine shut off when you come to a full stop. Some people like that feature, I personally don't. And a reconfigured center console here. You'll see they added these USB ports down here. They used to be down below in here. Now they've moved them up. And this whole center console now is different. So there used to be a tray that it will slide back and forth. Now this will slide and kind of go up like this out of the way. Lots of storage space. Armrest is always adjustable. That'll slide forward and back. Power seat, 12-way adjustable on the driver's side. You'll see the redesigned front end. Man, that looks good. That looks good. So on the front, your changes are this front grille, blacked out. That all was silver before. You got these LED fog lights. Again, Sport modeling up. Man, that looks hot. Integrated turn signals in the mirrors. And roof rails. You get the roof rails on the Sport model and up. Some other changes on the Sport, as well as the wheels. Full detail video coming up soon.